Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to check memory storage in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for our storage memory information, we have to go to settings, and we are looking for battery and device care. And as you can see, we have our storage information right here. Right now, in this phone model, we have 256 gigabytes of available storage. We have a few more options here, but the thing that's interesting to us is right here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.